5% of people think, 10% think they think, and another 85% would rather die than think. Just because something doesn't go according to your plan doesn't mean it's wasted. Many failures in life don't realize how close they were to success when they gave up. An opportunity that a lot of people miss is to dress too discreetly like they do at work. One might think that money from inventions is a tribute to someone who loves his work. But I continue to find my greatest pleasure, and so is my reward, in a piece of work that started what the world calls success. There's more to opportunity than expertise. Golden opportunities are often missed by many people because at first glance it looks like a mundane and trivial thing. The best thinking is done in silence. The worst is done in chaos. Show me someone who is truly satisfied and I'll show you a failure. Nonviolence leads to the highest ethics, which is the goal of all evolution. Until we stop harming all other living things, that means we're still wild. Success comes to those who move quickly while they are waiting. Something doesn't mean it's in vain, just because what happened was not according to your hopes and desires. Failure is inevitable and that's normal. The problem is, they don't realize that when they are about to give up, they don't realize that they are so close to success. Busyness is not entirely due to work. The most important thing is the result, achievement, which certainly requires thinking, systems, planning, intelligence, and sincere and hard work. Whatever I do and discover, it's not the result of an accident, but the fruit of hard work. A deep sleep that takes time is an example of our poor parental legacy. The only way out we can use is to think, there's no other way. Unfortunately, there seems to be more opportunity out there than ability. We must remember that good fortune often comes when opportunity meets preparation. The average human brain doesn't see 1,000th of what it sees. There's a way to do better, find it. Our greatest weakness is giving up. The best way to succeed is to always try one more time. The average human brain doesn't see 1,000th of what it sees. When I really decide that an outcome is worth getting, I try to reach it and try until it works. I never do anything by chance, nor do my discoveries happen by accident, they come with work. Many of life's failures are people who didn't realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Dissatisfaction is the first need of progress. Famous people are often remembered for their ability to take from humans, not for their ability to give to mankind. I haven't failed. I just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Just because something doesn't go the way you planned, it doesn't mean it was a waste. I know this world is ruled by infinite intelligence. Everything that surrounds us, everything that exists, proves that there are infinite laws behind it. No one will deny this fact.
This is precise math.
How will you appear from what you do? In my mind, an elder is not an art, their quality lies in their rarity. Dissatisfaction is the first thing you have to feel if you want to make changes and achieve success. I am proud of the fact that I never invented a weapon to kill. Feeling restless is discontent, and discontent is a major need to move forward. Show me someone who is truly content, and I'll show him a fault.